Welcome to Alikare. In this video, I would like to educate you and your groin area, also your cleavage area, which is here. And what I want to tell you, sometimes you see some spot like the picture I'm showing right here. Sometimes it's eczema, sometimes it's even fungus, and sometimes it's the clothes that you wear because you sweat in those areas and it don't get to dry quickly. It causes the skin to be irritated, and it also causes itchiness and soreness. So this remedy that I am telling you about is something that I've tried for myself because my cleavage area right here, my bust is so close. So I sweat underneath here, and I also sweat underneath here. And I've tried this product. Well, I can't show you on YouTube because of YouTube, legal terms. So I've tried this method, and it works wonders for me. So I said, let me come and tell you about it. So all of these rashes, which might be eczema, some people don't know it's eczema, and if it starts itching you, please do not use alcohol to cleanse the area. You can use up to 3% to 6% hydrogen peroxide to cleanse the area, but do not use any alcohol. You can also use witch hazel, and it's preferable to use the one that is already diluted with tea tree oil, or you can tip some tea tree oil in it and rub it there. Do not lotion because the lotion will cause sweatiness, but you can use, you have some coconut oil, you can use it and moisturize that area. If you have coconut oil, you can use it to moisturize that area. And after showering, you can use the coconut oil. If not, you can mix up these ingredients and put it on you. Now, one of the problem with these ingredients, you cannot wear it to work. You can sleep in it and you can have it on while you're at home, because I mix up turmeric and aloe vera. What turmeric does, the turmeric take away all the antioxidants. It's good in antioxidant properties. It also take away fungus, and it also take away the discoloration of your skin. It tone it back to, because normally when it gets irritated or it scratch or it sweat, that area, the groin area, intend to get dark and sore. So what the turmeric does, it take it away completely, make it keep its natural color. You can do it like once per week. If you have sweaty butt and sweaty groin area and it get dark, like the pictures I'm showing right now, you can use it once per week. For the aloe vera, why I mix it with the aloe vera, what the aloe vera does, the aloe vera take away rashes, it's good in antioxidant properties. It also dry up any sores, because what happens when you have the rashes there, you kind of get these little water bumps in the groin area or the cleavage area, and what the aloe vera do, it dries it out so it doesn't spread and irritate further. So it actually dried it out. Please do not mix the turmeric very strong, because what would happen is that it's harsh. You cannot leave it on your skin for more than 10 minutes because turmeric kind of harsh in a sense, and if it is irritating, if you just have that like a scaly look like this one that I'm showing you here, if you just have that look, then you can leave it for the more than 10 minutes. But once it have rush or those water bumps that is already irritated, do not leave it less than 10. Just leave it for 10 minutes. I hope this remedy help you, and let me advise you again, without the turmeric, because you know the turmeric give a stain and it might stain up your clothes. You can only use that while you're at home. With the aloe vera, you can put the aloe vera there. The aloe vera will completely stop the sweatiness while at work. You do not smell like aloe vera. Once you put aloe vera on your skin and it dry before you put on your clothes, it does not smell on you. You do not feel it, and you do not smell it. You don't smell like aloe vera. And just go ahead and mix your normal body perfume, and you're good to go, and it will keep the area clean and less irritated and less sweaty, and you can have a healthy, even skin tone. So I hope this remedy works for you. I'll give you the full recipe right after this. So please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.